Hey guys, welcome back to the AutoHound and welcome back up here to the Highline Group in Lowell. We're reviewing this today. This is a 2023 Jaguar F-PACE, but there's something special about it. But AutoHound, what's really exciting about this? There's a red Jaguar badge. That'll tell you something special, and it's the SVR. I am looking forward to this one. First of all, it's wrapped in these beautiful, beautiful rims. Look at that. You have your adjustable seat here, of course. Beautiful, beautiful Alcantara. Your memory seat's up top, so you can set that 3 people. And right inside here, you can charge your phone side by side wirelessly. Getting in the car, get this nice glove box. This really cool carbon fiber with the Alcantara strip right here, the leather right here, the deviated stitching in this leather. Over here, you have a cigarette lighter adapter, a couple of cup holders, and in here, you got a couple of USB ports and a nice little storage area. Up here, you have this beautiful sunroof with this suede Alcantara. That is so nice. The back seat is huge. So let's tell you a bit about this car here. This one is a 2023 Jaguar F-PACE. This is the supercharged 5-liter engine. It's only got 24,950 miles, and they're selling it up here at Highline for $63,900. Down here, you have your heated seats for the backseat passengers. Of course, you have a cigarette lighter adapter over here. A couple of nice cup holders. And look at these beautiful, beautiful Alcantara seats. They're in stunning condition, absolutely stunning. Back here, a nice roomy compartment. Underneath the Jaguar branded mat is, of course, your tire. This is your spare tire. Look at the size of this thing. In case you were wondering, they're 22-inch wheels. Over here, you have more memory seating. Controls for the doors, windows. More controls down here. Pop your trunk from here. And down in underneath here, you can pop your hood, which we'll do in just a moment. Right here, you, of course, have your center stack. Typical steering wheel, but it says SVR. You know you're in something special. Over here is your infotainment system, navigation, connect to phone, different little things that you can do, such as the home screen, and, of course, your different modes. So you do Eco mode, ICE, comfort, in dynamic mode. Your volume, I like the little shifter here. It's just so nice. And then you press here for park. Let's look at the engine. And here is your 5-liter supercharged engine. Look at this thing. It's massive. The air cooling on both sides coming right in, blasting it through. You can put all the specs right here. What a great little car. Let's go for a ride. Before we get going, a neat little feature. This slides forward. I love that. All right, we are officially in the Jaguar F-PACE SVR. This has 540 horsepower. 0 to 60 in less than 5 seconds. Top speed of 155 miles an hour governed. It is just a wonderful, wonderful piece of engineering. First impressions, luxurious. These seats are so comfortable. They are super well bolstered, and they really hold you into the seat. You get your heads-up display telling you how fast you're going. You have your paddle shifters left and right, obviously. This thing right now is in dynamic sport mode, releasing all 540 horsepower very soon. This is comfortable. This is luxurious. This is sporty, but it's secretly sporty. Most F-PACEs you look at, they're the 4-cylinder turbo engine, maybe the 6, but you've got a 5-liter engine. Check out its competitors. This is outstanding. It gives me the initial impression that I had of the very first Jaguar SUV that I drove, which was the E-PACE. It's comfortable. You know it's going to start every single day. These newer ones are amazing. Jaguar did a good job till they destroyed the company. And I think that if they'd gone on in this direction and added some hybrid powertrains to it as opposed to that stupid I-PACE, this would just, it would just be an amazing company. Now, that is what we're talking about. That's why you buy this. 540 horsepower, propelling you forward, over 7,000 pounds, moving you effortlessly. This is adept at handling the road. It soaks up the bumps. It feels like you're pulling down the road as opposed to pushing down the road. It's taking you for a ride with it. It's completely connected to everything around it, and it doesn't have any wayward movements. It is solid. You know, I drive a lot of SUVs, and it's hard to keep saying the same thing over and over again. But here's what I'll tell you about this. It is definitely agile. It is definitely athletic. It is definitely fun to drive. And that noise that it makes, that's this one. Come on. Are you really going to argue with that type of acceleration for something that drives like this? No, I wouldn't. This is outstanding. When you're driving this, you are certainly enjoying yourself. On top of that, you've got enough room for 5 people plus all of their luggage, because the back space is just huge. This headliner is gorgeous. It's all Alcantara. The Alcantara here in the front. Here's the brakes. 1, 2, 3. I'll just shave off 15 miles an hour, like a half a second. The cornering on this is, of course, what you would expect. A little heavy. It doesn't pull you, but it's a little heavy coming around the corners, which is to be expected in really a bigger SUV that weighs this much. It doesn't have a lot of body roll, but it does have some. And it also has this amazing ability to just soak up every single bump. I haven't felt a single bump yet that would kind of be bothersome to me. And that's a really nice feeling. We're going to get a bump over here because it's always one at this spot. And away we go. That's definitely very nice. It feels comfortable. You don't have any doubts as you're driving this car. I really do love that heads-up display. It's the first one that's kind of like really noticeable, and it's a good feeling to be able to see your speed limit without having to look down. It's well done. It's very well done. Has lane keep assist. Has all your features that you're looking for in it. Adaptive cruise control. I love adaptive cruise control. It's one of my favorite things. It is absolutely stunning. This is a great truck. If you want to buy this one, Highline Motor Group, let them know the AutoHound sent you. They're up in Lowell. They're also in Florida. I highly recommend coming in, looking at some of their vehicles, specifically this one. If you like this type of content, please make sure you like, you comment, and subscribe. And remember, it's about the drive.